In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files using a Google Drive shared link. This process is simple and quick, taking just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to access the shared folder. Go to the Google Drive link that's been provided to you. Once you click on the link, it will direct you to the shared folder. At this point, you must ensure that you have been granted editor access. This is crucial because without editor permissions, you won't be able to upload any files to the folder. If you find that you don't have this access, you'll need to reach out to the person who shared the link with you and request editor privileges. Once you've confirmed your access, proceed by navigating through the folders within Google Drive until you reach the intended location where you want to upload your files. Google Drive's interface is quite user-friendly, but if you're ever unsure of where to find something, rest assured there are plenty of resources and guides available online to help you out. Now that you're in the correct folder, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You will see the New button. Click on this button and a drop down will appear with a few options. From here you'll need to select either File Upload or Folder Upload, depending on whether you're uploading individual files or an entire folder of files. The choice is yours based on what best suits your needs. Next, your file directory will open, displaying the folders and files stored on your computer. Carefully choose the files or folders you'd like to upload. You can select multiple files by holding down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking the ones you wish to include. Once you've made your selection, simply click Open or Upload in the dialog box. This will initiate the upload process. Remember that depending on the size of the files and the speed of your internet connection, the upload might take some time. You can monitor the upload progress in a small window that appears in the bottom right corner of your Google Drive. Once the upload is complete, your files should now be visible and accessible within the shared folder for you and anyone else with access. And that's it, you've successfully uploaded files using a Google Drive shared link. This method is invaluable for collaborating and sharing resources online efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help.